Hello everyone, and welcome back to the craft process. Today, we're embarking on a journey to build something special from the most basic materials. We have some cardboard, a handful of toothpicks, and ice cream sticks. Together, we're going to turn these into a beautiful miniature home. Let's dive into the process. We start with the foundation. Cardboard is an incredible medium. It's sturdy, accessible, and easy to shape. As I assemble the main walls, precision is key. Every cut needs to be exact to ensure the structure stands tall and balanced. There's something deeply satisfying about watching a 2D sheet turn into a 3D space. Now we move on to the character of the house. Using toothpicks and ice cream sticks, I'm adding texture to the exterior. This stage requires a lot of patience. Placing each stick one by one might seem tedious, but it's these tiny details that breathe life into the miniature. It's all about the rhythm of the craft. For the roof, I'm layering the sticks to create a rustic wooden cottage feel. It's the crowning piece of the architecture. I've also added small window frames and a balcony to give it a realistic sense of scale. Every corner has been carefully polished to make this house feel like a home. And here it is, the final result. A dream house born from simple cardboard and sticks. It just goes to show that with a little time and a lot of passion, you can create magic from the simplest things. If you enjoyed watching this process, please hit the like button and subscribe for more builds. Thank you for being part of the process.